stuff, wasn't it?
What's gonna take you in your fucking sleep? Thanks a lot, I got no clean clothes now.
Now you know how I feel. Nice job playing.
You actually have fucking sweats in, you dumb cunt!
Nice
You
job.
stupid slut! You fucking whore!
Nice job playing with my pads. Is that allowed? That's what you were gonna do to me. Now don't get mad to have it done to you.
You haven't changed your clothes, you dumb whore! You haven't fucking changed your fucking clothes! You haven't fucking changed your clothes! I do!
Don't fucking spit on me.
I'll spit on a fucking one! You're one dumb whore, you know that? And then go fuck yourself! Fuck you and use the bathroom! All you have to kill yourselves! Especially you, coach! I will not be one! No!
Chris, let's not break anything else. I'm not trying to slow your roll, but we cannot break anything else. I mean, I'm sure he's still mad. Just make sure he's not breaking anything. We're done with that.
Mop water now.
I left fuck alone.
Okay.
Now, I have no clean clothes now. And all my shit and all of it gone. And I will find the person who killed him in their fucking sleep. Now leave me alone.
Nasty. He was just sitting there playing with my pads. He had the cup. He was about to pour it on my stuff. I came in and got my stuff.
Letty, I fucking love you.
He put it in the washroom, so I went in the washroom and got the cup and put it on him. I don't know why he's so mad because he was about to do that to me.
Letty W, 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 Letty W.
Check out Hobo Joe 421. Thank you. Big Smitty, thank you for the recommendations out here. Free Alpha.